Okay, so when we switch on the PC, this is the login screen it is showing here. So in the login screen, what is this? Red Hat means host name, computer name. Red Hat is the host name. Okay, so whatever host name we mention, we generated while installing the operating system, it will show the name here. And this is Jack is the user, normal user, which we created manually. Now you want to log in as a super user. Click on other. To log in as a super user, click on other. Now here enter your username. Then password. Log in as a super user. Click on other. Then username is root. Password what you generated. That is the password. Example I'm giving like this. Okay. Then click on login. You can enter into your computer. So it is showing desktop here because while installing the operating system, we selected desktop option. So after entering to the operating system, you can access desktop. You can access desktop too also. See, if you don't select desktop option means your screen will be like this. You log one moment. Your login screen will be like this. When you switch on your computer, your screen will be like this. So here I'm giving username and password. We entered into our computer. From here also you can execute commands like this. But while installing the operating system, we selected desktop option. So both are available right now. GUI is available and CLI is available. Both are available. We can use both to execute commands. Okay. How to switch from CLI to GUI and GUI to CLI means to switch from CLI to GUI, GUI to CLI. We use Control Alt function. We have the shortcut keys F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9. These are the shortcut keys we have. See, we are in graphical user interface. You want to go to command line interface. Then Control Alt function F2. In some keyboards, function key is not required. If you just give Control Alt F2, it will take you to command line interface. Now, Control Alt function F3, another login page scheme. From here also you can log in. Control Alt function F4, one more login page scheme. If you want, you can log in from here also. Okay, so Control Alt function F1. This is for GUI mode. Control Alt function F1 is for GUI. You are in command line interface, you want to go to graphical user interface. So we can use Control Alt function F1. You are in graphical user interface, you want to go to command line interface. Either you can go with Control Alt function F2, F3 or F4. This is for CLI. Any one you can use from here. Now, Control Alt function F5. This key works in all the version, but this is not constant. In few versions it works for GUI, in few versions it works for CLI. F6, F7, F8. These keys will not work in all the versions. Only in few versions they works. So if they are working, F6 works for command line interface, F7, F8 works for graphical user interface. These are the shortcuts to switch from CLI to GUI and GUI to CLI. How to switch from CLI to GUI and GUI to CLI. That is clear, right?
Yep.
Done. Now, what is the difference between CLI and GUI? That I will give. Control Alt function F2. Now I'm in command line interface. When I entered into command line interface, when I logged in, this screen is called terminal. This is called terminal. Terminal is used to execute commands. Whatever the commands we want to execute, we execute from the terminal only. So this is terminal. It is used to execute commands. Here we have only single terminal to execute commands. We cannot open multiple terminals. Now Control Alt function F1. I'm in graphical user interface. Here also I'm opening the terminal. Now here n number of terminals we can open like this. So using these all terminals, we can execute different commands. We can perform different tasks. We can log in into different users also. So the main difference between CLI and GUI, CLI works with single terminal, GUI works with multiple terminals. Difference between CLI and GUI. CLI works with single terminal, GUI works with multiple terminals. So what is the use of terminal means? It is used to execute commands. It is used to execute commands. Linux works with commands, right? So where we execute commands means in terminal. In CLI, when you log in, terminal will open. In GUI means we need to open manually. In few versions in desktop, they are giving terminal. If you double click on it, you can open the terminal, or right click on desktop, select open in terminal to open terminal to execute commands. So to open the terminal, right click on desktop. There you can select open in terminal. So this is your terminal to execute commands. Now in the terminal, you can see something in the bracket, right? We'll discuss about that. So here it is the root at the rate red hat space desktop. It is like this, right? Let's discuss about this. Are you getting what I'm explaining?
Yes, Madhuri.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And in this, how many are paid? Govind, you paid already, right?
And I need the access to the recordings, which I happen to know. I think waiting for that.
That's why I'm taking confirmation. Who else paid?
Pay, Madhuri. I'll be making the payment today.
So I'll inform to them.
Sure, sure. No, I have the details. Yeah, I'll inform them and I'll send the email to them.
Sorry, come again?
I'll make the payment today, Madhuri. Today on IST,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
I'll make it.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. No problem. No, those who paid, I'll just reconfirm them. So they need to create a Telegram group, right? So I'll save these all the notes. Once everyone joined in the Telegram, I'll share the notes.
Sure.
Now, there are three fields. First is type of user. By seeing the first field, you can understand that which user is logged in. There it is showing root, means who logged in, super user logged in. There are two types of users. Super user, normal user. By seeing the first field, you can understand that which user is logged in, whether super user is logged in or normal user is logged in. So who logged in? Super user logged in. Okay. Second field indicates host name. So root user, super user logged in at which machine? Red Hat machine. That is the host name. And this is current working directory. So super user logged in Red Hat computer. And what is the current working directory? Desktop. Currently super user working in desktop. See, pwd is the command to print present working directory. About this command I will give notes later. Now if you observe, currently we are under /root/desktop. It is showing the complete path of your location. So super user logged in Red Hat computer, and where the super user is working? In desktop. If you are in other directory, it will show that super user logged in root means super user logged in where? In Red Hat computer. In which directory super user is working? In home directory super user is working. Like, so first field is type of user, means which user is logged in. Second, in which computer, hostname. Third, what is the current working directory where the user is working, that you can understand. So is this clear?
Yeah, it's clear for me. Thank you.
Yeah. We have symbols like hash, dollar, and tilde. We have the symbols. Dollar means when you log in as a super user, it will show dollar symbol. When you log in as a normal user, it will show hash symbol means super user, dollar symbol means normal user, and till symbol. Running user home directory. So in file system hierarchy, we discussed that for every user, there is a home directory. Under /home, it creates a home directory for every user, right? So when you are in your home directory, it will show tilde symbol. I will show this practically. So when you log in as a super user, it will show like this hash symbol. It means we logged in as a super user. If you log in as a normal user, it will show dollar symbol. Dollar symbol means normal user. One moment. su hyphen username. When it is showing dollar symbol, that we are in normal user account. Hash indicates you are in super user. And tilde symbol, when you are in running user home directory, it will show tilde symbol. See, tilde symbol it is showing. It means you are in running user home directory. What is the home directory for root? Super user /root is the home directory. So you are in /home. Now see, su space hyphen John. Here also it is showing tilde symbol. It means what? This particular John user is working in John's directory. If you create any files or directories, that data is going to store under /home/John. Okay, now running user is John in which machine? Red Hat computer, and where John is going to store the data in /home/John. Tilde symbol indicates running user home directory. When you are in your home directory, it will show tilde symbol. Now if you observe, John logged in Red Hat computer. What is the current working directory? Var directory. So now John created any files or directory, the data is going to store under var. Is this clear?
Yep.
Simple. Hash indicates super user, dollar indicates normal user, and tilde symbol indicates running user home directory. When you are in your home directory, there it will show. Then it will show tilde symbol. If you are in any other directories, means that directory name it will show. Clear, right? This one.
Yes, this is clear.
Yeah. Ravinder.
It's clear, Madhuri.
Your question here, tilde can be both super user and normal user, right?
Yeah, when it is showing tilde symbol, it means that you are in running user home directory, whether it is super
Okay.
user or normal user.
Okay, yeah.
When
Thank
you are in your home directory, it will show tilde symbol. Shubhangi, clear?
Yes, miss.
Just can you give an example like tilde symbol of hash or the super user and normal user?
Normal user, see. Tilde
Okay,
symbol
this
it is
is
showing, right, with
root user.
super
Yeah,
user.
yeah.
Yeah. Now
Thank you.
see, you are in root home directory. Now I'm going to normal user.
It will be in dollar.
Now if you
Understood.
observe, it is showing dollar. It means this is normal user. Which user? John user. In which machine? Red Hat machine. And what is the current working directory? Tilde it is showing. It means it is in John's home directory. What is that? /home/John.
Then what is the actual difference between super user and normal user? It's only an installation part or
Super user have full privileges. Super user like administrator in Windows.
okay.
So super user have full privileges. They can install, uninstall, create, delete. They can do everything. But normal users don't have all the privileges. Some specific privileges only available here.
Good. Thank you.
See, something command I'm executing, it is showing need to be root. They have only some specific privileges. They cannot access everything. Normal user means super user, they have full privileges. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Vijay Raghav, is it your first day or you're coming daily?
This is second day only. Yesterday I came in the middle of the class. So today is the second.
Okay. Okay. You're clear what
Yesterday
I'm
I was prepared
explaining?
regarding. Yeah. Yesterday I was prepared regarding commands. So
Okay. And how many of you installed this operating system? Anyone installed?
Actually, I used it earlier. Not right now because I have a different laptop. I used to VMware
Okay.
Workstation. I used Oracle one as well. I think
Okay, okay. VirtualBox is there.
VirtualBox. Yeah, I used both, but now I have to set it up again.
Okay. If now you have VirtualBox in your computer.
No, in this laptop I do not have it. I have to
Okay,
set it up.
okay. Achha, this is your
I
personal laptop.
Yes, I have both two personal laptops. One is the old Windows 10 i5 with 16 GB RAM.
Okay.
The current laptop is Windows 11, but has only 8 GB RAM.
Okay. 4 GB is enough. If you want to install virtual machine and practice Linux, 4 GB is enough.
Okay,
So you can install any of your laptop in first one or second one, no problem. Where you
sure.
have space, you can configure, install their virtual machine.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm not going to give more commands. So this is only for today's session, as these are the demo sessions. So we'll continue on Monday's class.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for the session. And Govind, you asked for the Telegram group link. You already paid, no? Those who paid,
I asked
yeah.
for usually the institute what they do is they give access to the Google Drive and the videos of the recordings.
Yes,
I
they will give.
attend
Yeah,
other
yeah.
classes from DURGASOFT for the.
Okay.
I'm waiting for that access.
They will
No
give for
problem.
this also.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy weekend.
Yeah,
We'll meet on Monday.
sure. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Ravindra, you want to ask something?
Yeah, Madhuri. So, if you remember, yesterday I was asking you, right? So I have this VM workstation, which is for Hadoop.
Okay.
We wanted to install this Unix, right? Yes.
Yes, yes.
Can I share my screen?
Workstation is already there with Adobe. No, you can install. You can create another another machine in the same VM, and you can install Linux.
Yesterday, you know what I was showing you, right?
See, I have many computers. You have one computer, virtual machine already. No, click on File.
Correct.
There you can see.
No, you said you'll set the image, right?
Sorry.
Can I share my screen? Can I show you what is happening?
Okay, one more.
Because
I'll give
it was asking for.
share access.
No, I don't have share access.
Yeah, I will give wait.
Sure, okay.
Yes, check.
Let me, if you're able to see. I came. You're able to see the screen?
Select typical, select typical, select typical. I will install the operating system later. Linux.
Root is fine, or you want to
Let
select
it be, no
something?
problem. Then click on browse. And select the partition where you have space.
I have not done any partition actually. Single G drive, C drive actually. It's fine, right? I can add there.
In which partition you have space, select that one.
There's no partition here, so I have only one.
You have only C drive, okay. Create a folder here. No. Create a folder.
Saying what?
Yeah, give any name.
Is it okay? Unix or fine, right? Is it okay?
Space 40 GB. Store single disk. Next. Finish. So now click on CD or DVD.
CDR. Okay.
Use ISO image file. Do you have Linux or ISO image?
No, I don't have it.
You don't have?
No. I don't see.
Ravinder?
Yeah, I don't have it, right?
You don't have, right? So you need to download it first. I will
You want to download here?
yeah, you can download. Otherwise, I'll share the link.
Okay.
No need to do any changes. Just after downloading the ISO image, you just click on browse and select the image where you downloaded and just press OK. Then you can start installation.
So this installation will happen in the virtual machine, right? Nothing on my machine, correct?
Sorry?
So whatever installation of Linux will happen, it will happen on the virtual machine, correct?
Yes.
So you're pinging me that now?
Link I will share.
No, you'll do it later, or you want
Yeah.
to do it now?